Okay, welcome back to the workshop. So here are the trim pieces with lab metal coated on them. I just finished it. This stuff is fun to work with. It's kind of weird. So I thinned it out a lot. You got to get the solvent. They're sold individually. My last video I showed, you got the solvent, and I got a small can of the lab metal. And I mixed it up. I thinned it out real nice, so it's like as thin as paint, right? Like a latex paint, kind of heavy. And I just kind of played around with the texture a little bit, but I painted it on. And like a lot of other reviewers said, you get one chance to put it on. Like as I was painting it on, it went on nice and smooth, and you can maybe go back and forth once with the brush, but then you can't really go back to it because then you start getting stuff like this. It kind of starts to bunch up. So here's what one single coat looks like. I'm going to test it on this old tray. I'm going to put it in the oven, make sure it can hold up to the powder coating temperatures. But it goes on pretty nice. They tell you to do thin coats, let it dry, and do more coats if you need to. I got to figure this out a little bit more because my coat went on a little gloppy at first. I did the insides a little better. I'm not too worried about the finish on the inside. I just did it more to protect the metal. This is the side that matters, the side that you see. It says to give it a few hours to dry depending on the thickness, so I might just let it go overnight. And then I'll have to hit all this with the sander, smooth it out, and then depending on how low I have to go, I may have to do another coat. But this has only been a few minutes. It skins over like immediately. You got to work fast. And already the brush is starting to harden, and this is starting to harden. So it's definitely it's like working with epoxy, right? Like once you start, you got to finish the job because everything's going to harden up. So yeah, more to do with this, but I'll share my updates. But so far it's a pretty good product. I like it. We'll see how it holds up. Later.